As you can see, the birds are out, but we have visitors here, and see, they are just looking. Who are these sweeties here? See, they are looking, and I think it's time for them to come out. Let's do that. So I'm going to pull it over here, and let's release them and see how they react, isn't it? Yeah. So see here, they are here, right? And I'm going to open the gate. Oh, let's see who wants to come out. Come baby, come out. Let's see. Come out, come out. Don't be afraid. Come out. Come baby. Yeah, who wants to come out? Come, 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 come baby, come, 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 come. Go. They're just flying, my goodness. Where are they? Oh. Oh, there you go. Sweetie, it's your turn to come out now. Come. Come out then, come out. Good job. Fly now. Yes. There you go, sweetie. Good job. Enjoy now. Wow. Congratulations.